Hello students, today we will learn all about fractions. In this class, we will learn everything about fractions from the basics. This will help all the students of class 5, class 6, class 7 and class 8 also. So let's start. First, what is fractions? To know fractions, let us take an example. Here, this is a cake. If we divide this cake in 4 parts and take one part out, then this one part we will represent in fraction as 1/4. Okay? Again, I am repeating. If we take a cake, this cake we divide in 4 equal parts and we take one part out, and this one part will be represented in fraction as 1/4. Let's see some more examples. Here there are 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If out of these 9 boxes we color 2 boxes in red color, these 2 boxes we will represent in fractions as 2/9. Okay? So I hope now you have understood what is fraction. Now let's learn some more about fractions. Let's take a fraction for example. This is the fraction. This fraction we will read as 2/3 or 2/3 or 2/3 or 2/3. Again, I am repeating, this fraction we will represent and read as 2/3, 2/3, 2/3 or 2/3. Now, this is the fraction 2/3. This upper term is known as numerator and this lower term is known as denominator. Here 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. What we learned? Fraction is nothing but numerator by denominator. Okay? Let's learn some more. If numerator is smaller than the denominator, let's for example 2/3. Here numerator is 2, denominator is 3 and 2 is less than 3. That is numerator is less than denominator. In that case, this fraction is known as proper fraction. Some more examples of proper fraction are 1/4, 2/3, 3/5, 11/3, 31/67, 101/209. In each case, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So these are proper fractions. The next is if numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, this is the fraction 3/2. Here numerator is 3, denominator is 2 and 3 is greater than 2, that is numerator is greater than denominator. In this case, it is known as improper fraction. Okay? Let's see some more example of improper fraction. 5/4, 4/3, 7/5, 15/13, 97/67, 345/209. In all cases, the numerator is greater than the denominator, so they are known as improper fraction. Now, let's learn about like and unlike fraction. What is like fraction and what is unlike fraction? Let's take a few fractions. 2/5, 3/5, 7/5, 11/5. Here you can see in all cases the denominators are same, that is 5. So these fractions are known as like fractions. I hope you understood. Okay. Next, if we take some other fractions like 4/5, 3 by 7, 6 by 11, 17 by 13. In all cases, the denominators of these fractions are not same. That is, they are different. So these fractions are known as unlike fractions. I hope like fractions and unlike fractions are clear to you. Now, what are mixed fractions? Mixed fractions are written in this form and it is read as 4 and 1 by 3. Okay? Okay. Now, this is the most important part. We can convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction and vice versa. That is, we can convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. But the most important point to be remembered here is only improper fraction can be converted to mixed fraction and vice versa, but we cannot convert a proper fraction to a mixed fraction and vice versa. Don't get confused. Let's see how. Suppose first we need to convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction. Suppose we have a fraction 8 by 3. This is 8 by 3 is the improper fraction. We have to convert it to a mixed fraction. So the steps are as follows. First, we will divide this fraction. How? Let's see. This numerator 8 is taken as dividend and this 3, that is denominator, is taken as divisor. Now we will divide as usual. Here divisor is 3, quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2. Now we will write the mixed fraction as quotient in this side, remainder as numerator and divisor as denominator. So the answer will be 2 and 2 by 3. Hope you understand. Okay, let's move on to next conversion, that is mixed fraction to improper fraction. Let's convert this mixed fraction 2 and 2 by 3 to an improper fraction. So how we will do it? First, this denominator is written as it is here and then this denominator and this 2 will be multiplied. That is 3 into 2 and then this 2 will be added here. So the answer is 8 by 2. Let's see another example. Let's convert 4 and 5 by 7 to an improper fraction. First, we will write this denominator here as it is. Then this denominator 7 and this 4 we will multiply here. And then this 5 will be added to the product of 7 and 4. And then we will get the answer as 33 by 7. So, I hope it is clear to you how we will convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction and also an improper fraction to mixed fraction. This is all about fractions for today. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Please like and subscribe my video so that I can bring more such videos to you. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Study well.